Is the bear market over? Is it time to buy every stock that you can see? Stick with me on this video and I will share you my point of view. Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. A lot of questions I want to get through, but first of all, we need to ask the question, is the bear market over? Back in Monday, it looks like the whole global economy was going to crash, and the word recession we used repeatedly in every news outlet. And today on Thursday, 4 days later, the VIX has dropped from a high of 65 all the way to 23 of today. Is this over? Can we start buying? Everybody's going crazy. And guess what? The institution are already buying. They're buying the stocks that we retailers have sold during the panic zone of Monday. So in this video today, I want to address a few of the queries that's burning in your head. Alex, do I buy? Do I sell? What's happening next? I'm going to answer it in this video just for you. So all you have to do is click like and subscribe so you get awesome information like this. Is the bear market over? That's the very first question. All I can say is the VIX is dropping, but it's not at the safe zone. When I say safe zone, 19.99. Anything below 20, then we are safe. Then we're back on the barrier of a growth. Sensible growth, don't going too crazy at 12, but sensible growth, okay? Until we reach there, anything can happen. It can go 23, 28, 23, 30, 23, 35. Anything can happen from here until it stabilizes down to the confident below 20, 19.99. Then I would say it's over and we're back to normality. When? You guys are always asking me hard questions. Alex, when is it going to happen? Q3, Q4. I've said this before, even this correction. Q3, Q4, when things get better, when the election is over, geopolitical tension is over, going into the new year, Q1, Q2, and realizing all the forecasts for all these companies, then we can sit and speak. But for now, it's going to be troubled waters. If I put a timeline, I think the start of the Q3 earnings before we see anything. What do we do now? Okay, what do we do, Alex? What's the action? Because it's most important for you and me. We're all retail investors. What do we do? I've said this from day one in the beginning of the year. I've said this as early as when you watch my video, the VIX. As long as the VIX is over 16, you buy. 16, now above 20, I'll call it 23, be comfortable buying. If it drops below 23, then think about it. Anything above 23, buy. Be selective on the buying, okay? When I say selective, why? The earnings have slowly started to split up. I'm not saying that every stock will be doing well, everything is rosy. Stocks that show forecast, that shows growth. Stocks that shows good cash flow. Stocks that show resilience through geopolitical and anything difficult will do well. And right at the end, I will share all the buy triggers that has been triggering on the system. Honestly, if you don't buy now, I don't know when you're going to ever buy. Personally, I'm going to go all out as long as the VIX is 23, 24, 25, 26. I'm going to go all out, allocate. And anything new that I buy next time will be fresh, big chunk of money coming. I'm going to go all out at this space, and that's all I can share on my personal basis. Alex, what do I buy? Who do I buy? So on my buy trigger app, which I failed to release at the end of July and August because of so much delays, but I can show you on the Telegram app here. And these are the ones. So looking at the list, starting from the high risk one, I'm talking about the Shopify, the Hood, the SMCI, the SQ. These are my high risk stocks. There's 4 of them. They're in the buy trigger range. You can pick and choose depending on what type of investor you are. I'm not saying buy all of them. And also on high growth stocks. I like my high growth stocks. Those are my favorite category of the 4 on the pyramid. I like my Uber, Tesla, and AMD. Those are the ones I like. And all those are within the zones of buy, except for Tesla. Tesla, my valuation buys at 69, but Tesla is a very difficult one. Because it's something that do you value for the forecast for robotaxis? It's hard. I can't even value them without data unless I guess things out of there. And the likes of the growth and staple stocks, and I go through my list on the Telegram, they're all on valuation and buy trigger. I will just shout them out just now. Nvidia, MU, AVGO, my favorite semi stocks. Amazon, Facebook, my favorite Max 7 stocks. You got your Dell, you got IBKR if you don't like Robinhood. Lam Research, Qualcomm, ABNB, I like it. I bought some today. Meta, I've mentioned, TSMC, VST. So that's all on buy trigger range. Those are safe to buy. I'm comfortable buying those stocks. I wish I could own all of them. I don't own all of them. cash is limited, guys. But you can utilize this time to build that diversified portfolio, to be resilient, pick and choose. This is the period.
So if VIX drops below 20 and you all come back to me, say, Alice, what do I buy? I put too much cash left. Don't talk to me, okay? Don't talk to me. Seriously, I've been screaming. Buy a bunch of VIX or 16.
Now we're at 23. I don't know what else I can tell you. Yes, I know recession risk is 35% by Goldman. I know 30% by also other banks. JP Morgan has mentioned it as well. We're in a high risk territory, but that's why we invest in stocks, because we appreciate that risk. But if you buy great quality companies, you're fine. You can go with the Costco, you can go with your Warren Buffett stocks. It's better than holding cash. Okay, this is it for me now. For this series on this closing bell, on this green thumbnails, I will stop this series. Yes, I will stop this series as soon as VIX drop below 20. Because when VIX drops below 20, everything's fine. I will completely stop this series, and then I need to reinvent other stuff on YouTube and X. I've got plenty of ideas. I've still got a club in my mind that I need to do, but I need to grow. So going forward, even with these videos, the views are low. I know there are really a lot of you out there. You know, there's 500 to 1,000 of you that follow me really loyally. I appreciate it. I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. But for me to grow on YouTube, I need to be more evergreen. So the things that I need to think about. So once the VIX hits below 20, I'm taking maybe an extended break from everything and focus on the things that I need to be around me, and also recalibrate again. But for now, I'm here to steer you guys through the high volatility, making sure that you guys get information from Alpha. Thank you very much. Appreciate your help and also your time. Bye.